Understanding positions in sequences with ordinal numbers. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to another exciting English learning session. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of ordinal numbers, specifically focusing on how we can use ordinal numbers to describe positions in a sequence. This is a crucial skill, especially when it comes to organizing information, telling stories, or even simply understanding dates. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the intricacies of sequences, let's remind ourselves what ordinal numbers are. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate position or order in a sequence. Examples of ordinal numbers are first, second, third, and so on. When you're lining up for a bus or labeling chapters in a book, you're using ordinal numbers. Now, let's move on to the main part of our video, describing positions in a sequence. Whether you are talking about the stages in a race, the order of your favorite books, or the sequence of events in a story, you will be using ordinal numbers. For example, if we have a sequence of fruits like apple, banana, cherry, date, and we want to specify the position of cherry in this sequence, we say, cherry is the third fruit in the sequence. Now that we understand the concept, let's do some practice exercises together. Imagine you have a sequence of your 5 favorite movies. How would you describe the position of each movie? If Star Wars is your favorite, it would be the first movie in your sequence. There you have it, explorers. You've just mastered the art of using ordinal numbers to describe positions in sequences. Keep practicing this new skill in your everyday conversations. The more you use it, the more naturally it will come to you. As always, it's been a joy to learn with you. Tune in for our next session where we'll continue our journey into the English language. Until then, happy learning.